Good morning, students. Myself Nitu Kumari. I am your science teacher, and this is the chapter of class 5, Food and Nutrients. Food and nutrition is very important for our body, our growth, our energy, stamina, and so many works that we have done by us. So, food is very important to us. If we talk about our health, it means disease-free body and remain healthy and so many things which is not lackness of body, and this is the health related to our health. Health is very important to us. If we grow properly, to healthy body is very essential for us. So if we talk about nutrition we also depending indirectly or directly in the plants. Some important plants are edible for us, but all essential parts of the body of plant is not edible. So some foods is very important to us and some are not important to us, but energy growth foods are very important to us. So energy is very important to our body. Our growth and muscles building organs are also related to our energy, our diet, exercise. So many things which is related to remain our healthy is very important to us. Some nutritions are very important to our body. Nutritions, it means the essential substance present in a food that our body can use for energy, health and growth. Nutrition is that which is used for our energy, health and growth. So important thing is, where is energy come from? How can we grow healthy? This is all thing is related to our diet, our food, our nutrition. Some most important nutritions are 5 main type of nutrition. Let's talk about some 5 main nutritions. Carbohydrate, protein, fat, vitamins, water. These 5 things is very important to our growth. If you talk about carbohydrate, the energy giving food. The name is also so that this is the energy giving food. How can we take carbohydrate? Carbohydrate taken from rice, wheat, grain, some raw materials which is related to this things is carbohydrate. Carbohydrate is energy giving food. Energy is for doing work, exercise and so many things which is done by us. It's also related to our energy, and energy is related to carbohydrate. Next thing is protein. Protein is very important part to the food or our health. Protein is take us to growth and our building blocks, muscles repairing, muscles building. So protein is very important. How can we take in protein? Protein is from egg, milk, pulse, and so many things which is related to building blocks, and these important things meat, liver. This is also useful for protein, and protein is also useful for our growth and muscles building. Next one is fat. Fat is also related to our energy. Energy, it means fat. This is not similar to carbohydrate, but it also provides us energy. And energy, how can we get energy from this? Lipid, oil, fish oil, liver. This is the essential part of fats, and fats give us energy. So fat is very important to our health or growth. Next one is vitamins. Vitamins and minerals. Vitamins and minerals are the most important thing beside this food. This is a very important thing to our body. It is not given to the body in lots of things. It's some little bit points is very useful for our growth and our body. This one is protective foods. This protects the food and protect us from so many diseases, so many lackness, and another things which is harmful to us, and so many pathogens which is related to our body. Lackness of vitamins and minerals, so many diseases is around to our body like goiter, kwashiorkor, diarrhea. This is the lackness of vitamins. So vitamins is very important. Some important vitamins are A, vitamin B, C, D and K. These 5 vitamins is very important to our body. Some minerals. Minerals, it means iron, zinc, phosphorus. These are the minerals which is also necessary. Iron, zinc, phosphorus. These are the important part of the body. Just like vitamins, minerals are very important to us, and these are also protect our body from diseases. Last one is water and raw. Raw, it means grains, dry grains. Just like raw materials, some raw material parts of, just like beet. Beets is raw materials, fat beet, and grains, maize, wheat. This is the raw materials. But first of all, we talk about water. Water, our body is also made by 1/3 part of the body is made by water. It means 70% of the body part is made of water. So water is very important to digest the foods, vitamins, minerals, carbohydrates. This work is to digestion, help in digestion, and also essential to remain our remaining healthy for our organs. Some organs are very depending on water. So water is very important. Besides these things, carbohydrate, protein, lipids, and our health related things, some foods are very important to us. So food preserving is very important. If we talk about food preservation and nutrition in our food, some fruits, grains and vegetables we cook overcooked. So some minerals they lost their activity and their minerals. So we don't have to cook more and much to food there to lose their nutrition and minerals. And we talk about preserving. Preserving, some foods are essential for us to. We preserve the food to eat there day by day. So preserving is very important. If we take there in open areas, some bacteria, pathogens are attack on the food. And when we take this food to us, our body related to the nutrition and food, the pathogens are attacked to the body and we get fall ill. Besides these things, exercise and rest is very important to us. Exercise, this is essential for our growth and muscles building. So exercise is very important. Take some useful nutrition diet. So and also take an exercise to the body regularly. Take some important part of the body and some water. Water is very important to the relation of exercise. Rest is the very important because this is most important to our brain. if we take rest, our brain is become very healthy and body is also become healthy. So this is the end of your chapter, and this is the very important to your book, Food and Nutrition. How can we take food? How can we preserve the food? And how can we take exercise to remain our body healthy? So read this chapter, be carefully, and try to make their question answer, and this is MCQ. Thank you.